Hello, my name is Simona, I'm crochet designer, and today I created this basket. We'll learn how to make it. It's easy and fun. This is how it looks like. 2 handles, round and nice. Here I have 6mm MonoMey Studio cord, 200 meters on the spool, so with one spool you could make one round basket. Many colors to choose from: mustard, coconut brown, clarinet, dark wine. So which color would you choose? Or maybe these colors: dusty rose, the dirty pink, green, dirty orange. More than 100 colors to choose from. Round 8. We'll also start this round by chaining 1, chain 1, and now we'll make 8 single crochet, 2 single crochet and 1 stitch. So 8 single crochet: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and now 2 single crochet and 1 stitch. The first one and the second one also in the same stitch. So stop the video right now and repeat this combination: 8 single crochet, 2 single crochet and 1 stitch. And this is the very end of round 8. I repeated combination 8 single crochet, 2 single crochet and 1 stitch. This is the very end of the round, and I will make 1 more single crochet. I repeated this combination before 5 times. So the last single crochet and joining with a slip stitch, just like this. So the base of the basket is nice and flat. Round 9. We'll start by chaining 1, and the beginning is 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 single crochet. Now we'll make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one. So this is the beginning, and now we'll start our combination for this round is 9 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 single crochet, now 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one. So 9 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Stop the video right now and repeat this combination 3 more times. So this is 1, 3 more times to go. I repeated combination 9 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch 4 times. This is the very end of round 9, and for the very end we will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the end, and now we'll join with a slip stitch. And this is how the base, the bottom of the basket looks like. This is the joining stitch, this is the middle, the other side looks like this. If you have 1 or more or 2 stitches missing at the very end, do not worry, the final result will come up just perfect. Okay. Round 10. We will start by chaining 1. 1. Now we'll start by making 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So this is 1 and 2 single crochet. Now 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one also in the same stitch. So this is the beginning. Now we'll start our combination. The combination for round 10 is the same as for round 9. 9 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 single crochet. Now 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one. So now stop the video and repeat this combination. 9 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 3. This is almost the very end of round 10. You should have to repeat combination 9 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch 5 times in total. 5 times. And for those who did it 5 times, this is the very end of round 10. So 3 more single crochet to make for the very end. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 single crochet, and I will join with the slip stitch. Just like this. This is the base of our basket. You can see how nice it looks like, flat and sturdy. So from next round, start our sides of the basket. Now we will start making the sides of the basket. That means that this is the easiest way of the basket. So we'll start making by chain, and we will crochet stitch by stitch in single crochet all the round. No need to increase or decrease the stitches, just work stitch by stitch all the round, just like this. And this is how it looks like. So now till around 20, repeat the same. Chain 1, work in single crochet all the round, join with a slip stitch at the end. Once it gets higher, put your crocheting like this. You can also do it right now like this. You will see the basket will go up straight in a couple of rounds. So crochet now stitch by stitch every round from round. And this is the very end of round. I finished making single crochet. We're not working in a slip stitch, and now we'll join with a, maybe I will take it off. I will join with a slip stitch like this, and then starting another round, chaining 1 and working in single crochet all the round. So my round was right here. I will mark it here. Work in single crochet all the round. At the beginning chain 1, and at the very end make a slip stitch, and now work stitch by stitch. I will show you how to make the stitch that looks like letter X. It's all about grabbing the cord like this. Take the cord from the top, then from the back. Take the cord from the top, then from the back. And the final result looks like letter X. Once again, from the top, from the back. From the top, from the back. I finished making round 20, and this is how my basket looks like. Nice and sturdy. Every round I made 62 single crochet all the round. So at the end of this round you should also have 62 stitches. If you do not want to make the handles, just work in single crochet 2 more rounds. Or you can leave it like this. You can actually make the height of the basket as you want. So let's jump in the round for the handles. So the round we're making the handles, round 21. So we will chain 1 and now we will make 11 single crochet. As I said, this round should have 62 stitches. If you have 2 or 1 stitches less or more, make less stitches now in the beginning and equally at the end. So now if you have 62 stitches, make the 11 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 11 single crochet. Now we will chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, a chain of 14. Now we'll skip 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll continue to the 11th one, making not this like this. So 11 single crochet, a chain of 14, skipping 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To the 11th we are continuing with single crochet. Now we will make 20 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 20 single crochet. Now we are on the other side of the basket. We will make the second handle. So let's chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and we will also skip 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To the next stitch we will make single crochet. So the handle is done, and we will continue counting right here 11 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And this is the end. We will join with a slip stitch. If you have less or more stitches when you are done, right here at the beginning make less single crochet. Also, if you want to make longer handles, chain more. If you want to be the space bigger, make bigger holes. But I'm doing like this, and I think this is a great size. And now the last round, round 22, we will chain 1, and now we will work in single crochet all the round, including the handles. So single crochet, stitch by stitch, we will make the handles stronger like this, stitch by stitch. It's really fun and nice to make a basket like this. So now we are on the handle. What we will do, we will make a single crochet only in the back loop, like this, in the back chain, maybe I would say, like this, the pattern. I'm doing not this stitch, I'm sorry, like this. Yes, so it looks like this. So this is the chain that you made, and taking only, putting the hook through the back chain and making the same single crochet on the chain, also making in each chain one single crochet. So stop the video and continue working on the round from here, then on the second handle also in single crochet. And these are the last stitches of the last round. The handles are made, so the last single crochet. Now how to finish this round. We'll make a slip stitch like this, pull it a bit more. Now take scissors, cut it, the end, burn it a bit. As it is polyester, it is easy to do that. Just like this, and then you will make a knot right here. Pull the cord and make a knot like this, and then hide the cord between the stitches. I will take a smaller hook, let's say this one, and I will just grab the cord and pull it through a couple of stitches inside of the basket. And the basket is done. This is how it looks like. Two handles, round and nice. You know, I think I will fill it up with mini balls. Yeah, I think it looks better now. A basket full of mini balls. So I was using 6mm MonoMey Studio macrame cord to make it. It's really sturdy and nice. For one basket I used 200 meters of the cord. I hope you like it, and you know that you can make it in many colors, more than 100 colors. If you have any questions, please let me know and follow. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video tutorial interesting and informative. If you want to see more video tutorials, you can visit my main YouTube channel. I have video tutorials how to crochet totes, bags, rugs, placemats, baskets, and more. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. All the information about the pattern, the cord used, you can find below in the video description. So thank you for watching.